Rubber Duckies!
And today we're unboxing our latest Samsung prize package. And
we don't know what's in it, so we're gonna find out with you all. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit those bell notifications.
Let's go. Whoa!
Whoa!
So many computers.
Wait, are these all like Samsung notebooks? Oh!
Whoa.
It's just Galaxy Chromebooks.
Whoa.
Okay. So we've got
The charger.
charging brick.
Let's take out the computer.
There's an envelope.
Is it like
Whoa.
oh.
It's heavy. Doesn't look like a normal Chromebook.
It's a manual
Oh.
and it's a pen.
Samsung.